Guys, it is time for a new update here on the Bitcoin price, and I can already tell you, we are not only going to talk about this potential W pattern that is right now forming here on your screens. No, we are also going to talk about all the other time frames and very interesting things that are actually happening, especially in connection with our Fibonacci retracement levels, because I'm also about to take imminent action on my trades. As you guys know, I'm still in a $6.5 million short position right now, but that could change right after this video. Guys, stick around. You cannot miss the chart analysis I'm going to present you in today's video. Besides that, guys, I also opened a new long position, an $800,000 long trade. Why did I open this small long hedge position? Guys, I'm going to show you right now. Besides that, as always, I would really appreciate it if you could smash up a like here on today's video. Every single video of mine normally reaches 1,000 thumbs up. And besides that, guys, thank you very much for the support. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell next to the subscription button, and activate all so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And thank you very much for also all the nice comments down below. I'm trying to give a thumbs up and a nice heart to all of them. Thank you very much, guys, for all the support. But now let's talk about the charts. First of all, like I said, a potential W, but that's not really the most interesting thing that is happening here right now. Let's start from the bigger time frames. First of all, I mean the weekly time frame, we are still below our EMA ribbons. Okay, nothing new there, right? And also nothing really interesting I can show you on the weekly time frame. The only important thing is the weekly candle already closes in 2 days and 7 hours, and this for sure means that the weekly candle at least should close in the area of the $42,000 levels, so that this can be implemented as just a weekly candle that is closing above support and just wicking below during the week. But I mean, 2 days and 7 hours, not much time left, so the bulls need to hurry up, and they have the chance because the bulls are right now bouncing off very important upwards sloping support here from the daily time frame. The only problem is, guys, on the smaller time frames, there's a lot more happening. First of all, Bitcoin failed for the last couple of days and almost 2 weeks now to establish a higher high. We are only seeing higher lows all the time, especially on the bigger time frames. And even switching on the 4-hourly, you can see that Bitcoin didn't manage to establish any higher highs pretty much for a very, very long time. This here is maybe now the first chance. Why is this maybe now the first chance? Because now for the first time we actually established 2 higher lows, right? If I zoom in here a little bit, guys, I have to zoom in a little bit. You can see that better. We established here 2 higher lows for the first time in Bitcoin for a very long time on the decently big time frames like the 4-hourly. The only problem is that Bitcoin right now on the smaller time frames is already getting rejected once again from our, and guys, remember the last video, not from our 0.618 but from the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. And guys, you remember what happened the last time. That was also the reason why I scaled up my short position so massively. The last time also, remember, we didn't even manage to touch the 0.618. We already got rejected from the 0.5. And right after that, we pretty much saw a short decline in the Bitcoin price. So now I'm even more careful when seeing that Bitcoin is pretty much already getting rejected from the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level once again on the smaller time frames. It's the 1-hourly. It has not that much of a weight in the total chart of Bitcoin, but since the weekly candles look very, I would say, not conclusive yet, and also the daily time frame is not really confirming a bounce yet, or is showing like very, very strong support or anything like that. We don't really have a crazy strong pump away from resistance, but from support, but also the support didn't break. We didn't even see a wick below it. So on the bigger time frames, it's a little bit uncertain. So it starts with the small signs tickling upwards from the smaller time frames to the bigger time frames till all of them flip in a certain direction, bearish or bullish. And that's why I think this is not all too good sign that we are seeing on the smaller time frames the first signs of weakness here right now. And that's why I'm going to stay in my short position. The only moment where I would think about scaling out of my short position is as soon as the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level breaks to the upside on the 1-hourly. That would be a time where I would scale down my short position massively, and would probably also scale up my long position a little bit, but I would actually wait to fully close out my short position before I wouldn't close it out before we not see here a break above the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level on the 4-hourly time frame. Only then, when we break above the $41,800 level, pretty much only then I would scale up my long position. significantly, and for sure I would completely exit my short till that point. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the game plan. If we see a breakdown below the 39,300, like I said, we are getting rejected from the 0.5, so the likelihood of us going down to $39,200, $300 is not really unlikely. I have to sadly say it. I even say that it's a higher possibility that we go down to these levels again and we don't complete this W, but let's see what happens. But if we go down to these levels again and the support doesn't hold and we break it to the downside with a 4-hourly candle closing below our low of 39,300, that would be the moment where I would also start scaling up my short position once again. But now, let's wait till the hourly candles and everything closes, guys. Nothing is decided yet. We should just keep an eye on the charts. Make sure to smash up a like now. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell. Thank you very much for your support. And guys, we are going to see us in the next video very, very soon, tomorrow. Till then, bye. Bye.